Join me as I take on the challenge of creating a fun kids storybook using Canva and ChatGPT, and see if I can make it look amazing. In this video, you will learn how to combine the creative power of Canva with the storytelling capabilities of ChatGPT to craft an engaging storybook for children. Many parents and educators struggle to find or create personalized storybooks that cater to children's interests and reading levels. This is a common problem because kids' attention spans are short, and they need constant stimulation to stay engaged. Traditional storybooks often lack the personal touch that kids crave, and generic stories can be boring. Moreover, the process of creating a custom storybook can be daunting, especially for those who are not design savvy. As a result, many kids miss out on the joy of reading and the benefits it brings to their cognitive development. Unfortunately, this can lead to a lifelong disinterest in reading and learning. The consequences of not having access to personalized storybooks can be far-reaching. Kids who struggle with reading may fall behind their peers, leading to decreased confidence and self-esteem. This, in turn, can affect their academic performance and social interactions. Furthermore, the lack of diverse and inclusive storybooks can limit children's exposure to different cultures, perspectives, and experiences, making it harder for them to develop empathy and understanding. Imagine being able to create a storybook that speaks directly to your child's interests and personality. A storybook that not only entertains but also educates and inspires. With Canva and ChatGPT, this becomes a reality. You can craft a unique narrative that resonates with your child, using vibrant illustrations and engaging characters. You will explore how to use ChatGPT to generate creative story ideas and characters, and then how to bring those ideas to life using Canva's design tools. You'll learn how to tap into ChatGPT's advanced language capabilities to create engaging plots, descriptive text, and even dialogue that sounds like it was written by a children's book author. Then, you'll discover how to transform these ideas into visually stunning layouts using Canva's user-friendly interface and vast design resources. The beauty of this process lies in its flexibility and adaptability. Whether you're a parent, educator, or writer, you can use Canva and ChatGPT to create a storybook that suits your needs and goals. You can experiment with different storylines, characters, and designs until you find the perfect combination that resonates with your audience. As you follow along with this video, you'll see how easy it is to integrate ChatGPT's output into Canva's design environment. You'll learn how to customize templates, add illustrations, and adjust layouts to create a truly professional-looking storybook. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills and confidence to create your own engaging storybooks that will captivate children's imaginations and inspire a love for reading. The highlight of the video will be demonstrating how to seamlessly integrate the story generated by ChatGPT into a beautifully designed layout in Canva. You'll see how the AI-generated text is transformed into a visually appealing narrative that flows smoothly from page to page. You'll also learn how to add interactive elements, such as links and buttons, to make the storybook more engaging and immersive. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be amazed at how quickly and easily you can create a professional-looking storybook. Whether you're creating a storybook for a specific child or for a wider audience, this integration of AI and design will open up new possibilities for storytelling and creativity. As you work through this video, you'll realize that the process of creating a storybook is not only fun but also empowering. You'll gain the confidence to experiment with new ideas, try out different designs, and push the boundaries of what's possible with Canva and ChatGPT. You will recap the steps taken to create the storybook, emphasizing the ease of use and the fun of combining technology with creativity. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to create your own unique storybooks that will captivate children's imaginations and inspire a love for reading. Remember, the possibilities are endless when you combine the creative power of Canva with the storytelling capabilities of ChatGPT. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more creative tips, and share your thoughts in the comments about your storybook making experience.